So I bought this for Honey Baby. She doesn't know it. It's a surprise. And what it is one of those outside propane heaters, like you sit on your porch. I got some friends up in Maine that's got a couple of these. They're pretty nice. Honey Baby likes to come out here in the morning and sit, but sometimes it's cool in the morning. I was just thinking the other day, wouldn't it be nice if I bought her one of these heaters? She could set it up over there next to where she sits. And I need to make a trip to the dump. We tend to pile up our cardboard and stuff over there. I'm about due to go to the dump. But it's not always like that. But anyway, having that out here would be a cool thing for her, so that she could turn that thing on in the morning and have a little heat while she sits and drinks her coffee and watches the sun come up. I hear you, Charlie. I hear you. You want to come out? Come on out, buddy. We got room for you out here. Oh yeah. You put your little cable on here so big bad cars will run over you or anything. Yeah, and of course the instructions say requires 2 people to assemble. And I'm thinking I've worked on that pole barn shed this morning about enough to get a little tarred. Tarred, that's a Georgia phrase for exhausted. Tarred. Now we do have this little fire pit thing here, and this is nice too. I think a combination of the both would be even nicer. You know, we could sit out here and get the fire pit going, have that thing going. It could be a little chilly. We could be really comfortable out here. I've got some roll up and roll down bamboo curtains, and this morning I was thinking about making little things that I could put in here to hang those on, so that if we wanted to be out here in the evening, we could let them curtains down and have this fire going, you know, and stuff. And of course, we're coming into the warm part of the season, so it might have been better if I'd have bought this a little sooner, but heck, it's never too late to give somebody a nice gift, and it makes Honey Baby happy. It makes me happy, so that's a good thing. I might want to run up to the store and get some propane while they're still open. She's not here right now, by the way. Honey Baby's not. But I could get the tank out, get the Rambler, and we could run up to the local store there and fill up the propane tank. Oh, the joy. All right, I'm going to think on these things. I'll get back with y'all and let you know how it turned out. So it's working. You can see it turning red up there, and it makes a noise. I couldn't, at first we had trouble lighting it. I think you might have had to screw the thing into the propane tank a little tighter to get the gas to come out. But as soon as it started coming out, it was apparent that it was working because it's going.
Hold on.
So there you go, honey baby.
Yeah.
That's for you.
Pretty nifty.
That's for you. Honey baby likes to come out here and drink her coffee in the morning, so now she got a little heater. Oh, the joy.
Wow, got a big heater.
Got a big heater, yeah.
Big heater.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about that, child? Wow, pretty highfalutin.
Highfalutin, rootin' tootin', 6-gun shooting. Highfalutin, rootin' tootin', 6-gun shooting. Son of a gun. Quick draw
Sit
McGraw.
back and start our propane fire pit.
Isn't that what Quick Draw McGraw, you say highfalutin, rootin' tootin', 6-gun shooting. Highfalutin, rootin' tootin', 6-gun shooting, Quick Draw McGraw. Is that right? Am I remembering that, or am I making it up? He's a highfalutin, rootin' tootin', 6-gun shooting, Quick Draw McGraw.
I was a deprived childhood. I didn't get to watch cartoons.
That's true. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna turn this off now. Say bye, honey babe.
Awesome.
Say bye, honey babe.
Bye.